But as time's gone on, Empire just looks so cohesive and just so strong.
I wonder if he knew what he was doing when he walked out on the stage and was like, "Everybody clap for me as I defeated the home team."
Oh gosh,
it was a little quieter.
Has anyone ever noticed how small and cute PPD's hands are? They're very tiny and small, and yeah, I'm just trying to figure out which hand of PPD's is his strong hand.
Help! Help!
Here. Oh, take my hand.
Ah!
Come on. You're gonna fall unless you take my hand.
No, give me your other hand.
Oh, my other hand isn't strong enough. You take my little hand.
No, get it away from me.
Take it. Take my hand.
During the International 7, I believe it was, I just really noticed PPD's hands were very tiny. It was actually kind of like that scene in Austin Powers, where Austin Powers keeps looking at the mole, and he's like, "A mole, mole, mole." And he just can't resist from it. It was kind of like that. Like my eyes were just kind of drawn.
Ah, and here he is.
So you're the...
Most excellent agent we've ever seen.
Yes, most excellent agent we've ever seen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jolly good work.
Yes, nice to mole you. Meet you. Nice to meet you, mole. Don't say mole.
Stop.
I said mole.
Stop.
Bye. Mole. Mole. Mole.
Oh, shut up! Mole, 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 mole.
Other than that, I've just been playing Dota. That's just pretty much what I do. I usually like to go mid with like Winter Wyvern and stuff like that. So it's been working out pretty good for me, actually. I've gained about 40 MMR in the past 2 weeks. So I'm pretty happy with the results. If you guys want to gain some MMR, I'd suggest Winter Wyvern mid. But other than that, yeah, let's just figure out what's going on with PPD's hands. And be sure to subscribe if you want more awesome content. I will catch you guys next time.